Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are making a Goan classic sannas, but not just any sannas. These are super soft fluffy sannas made without toddy. That's right, no need to track down special toddy for this recipe. We are going to use a secret ingredient that will give us all the flavor and fermentation we need right here in our fridge. Can you guess what it is? It's a can of Sprite. That's right, Sprite. It might sound surprising, but it works wonders in this recipe. So if you have ever craved these delicious Goan Sannas but couldn't find toddy, this recipe is for you. So if you are new on this channel, please hit that subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. And if you like this recipe, please hit that like and also do share this recipe with your friends and family so that they can even try this recipe at home. Also do comment and let me know any of your suggestions. Get ready for a quick and easy journey to Goan culinary heaven. Let's jump right in. So first take 300 grams of Goan rice or ukde rice, soak in water overnight. Then discard the water. Then take the mixer jar, add the soaked rice. And add 150 grams of fresh grated coconut. Add about 250 ml Sprite and add 4 tablespoons water, and then blend this to a smooth paste. So the paste is ready. It must be something like this. Then simply add it to the pan. And add about 80 ml of Sprite. Give this a nice mix. Basically you are adding the whole can of Sprite for this recipe. Then add 1/3 cup water and give this a mix. Make sure the consistency is something like this. Then take half teaspoon dry yeast and add 2 tablespoons water. Give this a nice mix and rest it for about 15 minutes. Then add it to the coconut mix and add 6 tablespoons sugar. Add some salt to taste and then mix it nicely until the sugar is nicely dissolved. Then cover it and rest it for about 6 to 7 hours. When it is ready, you will see small bubbles on the surface of the batter. When you see this, it is ready. Then simply pour it in a bowl and then steam it for about 20 to 25 minutes. When it is nice and hard in the center, it is ready. Then leave the bowl in the room temperature water and allow it to cool down completely. Then simply demold the sannas as shown. Alright guys, there you have it. Delicious fluffy Goan sannas made without a drop of toddy. See how beautifully they are steamed up. They are light, airy and perfect for soaking up any curry you throw their way. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes like this. If you have any questions about these sannas, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to answer them. Oops, almost forgot. For those who are curious, the Sprite adds a slightly citrusy tang that actually complements the flavors of the sannas really well. But don't worry, it's subtle and won't overpower the dish. And guys, please do share my recipes with your friends and family so that they also can try these recipes at home and enjoy them. If you want me to prepare any recipe, then do comment and let me know. Now go forth and conquer your Goan Sanna craving. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye.